Hello, for today's video, we're going to tackle the scope and sequence of physical education from grade 4 to grade 6. So, the scope and sequence for grade 4 to grade 6 is focused on the health and skill enhancing activities, ensuring that they are integrative and inclusive in context. The topic for grade 4 to grade 6 in the first and second quarter is all about games and sports. For the first quarter, it's all about the target and field games. So when we say target games, it's a games that involves sending objects towards the subject. In the target games, as a player either throws, slides, or strikes an object with a goal of hitting the center of the target. So here are some examples of target games. Number 1, Tumbang Preso. Tumbang Preso is a game wherein there is a can that placed at the center and must be hit before getting your throw. For example, they use sleepers as a throw and small can as the target. And next, we have the Luksong Baka. It is a traditional game that is originated in Bulacan. It involves a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 10 players. The goal is to jump over the person called Baka. Once you touch or falling over the Baka, you will be the next eat. Next, the topic for the first and second quarter is the invasion games. So, when we say invasion games, it is a goal-centered game and characterized by invading the other's team. So here are the examples of invasion games. Number 1, we have the Patintero. It is a team versus team game. The opposing team must cross the line without getting tagged. Second, we have the hopscotch. The player stands behind the edge of the box and each should throw the cue ball. The first to play is determined depending on the player's agreement. And next, we have the agawan ng base. So, there are two teams with 2 bases. The goal is to tag the other's team base without getting tagged. If you're tagged, you're transferred to another team and must be rescued by your teammates. For the third and fourth quarter of grade 4 to grade 6, their topic is all about the folk, indigenous, ethnic, traditional, and creative dance. So here are the examples of folk dance in the Philippines. One is Baingles. Baingles meaning English in dance. Both by an English tradesman, it has nature some English dances. You have the Cariñosa, loving or affectionate one. It uses handkerchief that plays as an instrument role as it's played through couple in romance scenario. It was originated in Panay and introduced by the Spaniards. Next, we have the Tinikling. It was named after the long-legged bird called tikling. It was originated in Leyte during the Spanish era. It has 2 pairs of bamboo poles that tap together. The female dancers uses balintawak and batadyong. And for the female dancers, they use barong Tagalog paired with red trousers as they play or dance barefooted. Here is the other examples of folk dances in the Philippines. Itik-itik, which a dance that imitated the movement of duck. Next, we have Baglalatik, Binasuan. They use baso as their material in dance. Singkil, Kapa Malong-Malong, Sayawan sa Bangko, wherein they dance at the top of the chair. Pandango sa ilaw, where they use a candle that placed in a cup. Then, pandango sa uwisawes and kuratsa. So, that's all the topic for grade 4 to grade 6. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.